What's going on, everybody? This is when you know it's all connected. About 1 hour ago, we reached $62,000 BTC, one of the lowest prices so far in the last couple of days. And about an hour ago, just in breaking news, SEC expected to deny spot Ethereum ETF next month. So in May. You cannot make this up, guys. It's so manipulated. Obviously, people are like, really? Guys, it is not surprising, yet still breaking news. As people, guys, we're beating the SEC's butt, right? 2 lawyers gone, Ripple winning based on the latest news. Like, we are pushing through, crypto's winning. The problem is they are not going to give in so easily. And while they have the power, they will continue pushing us until, new administration comes and get them out. I hope that happens, right? We need somebody who's pro crypto or neutral, not just against it, guys. We are seeing the prices from $67,000. Let me show you. That was literally a few days ago. So how do you go down $5,000 just like this? Well, that's what I want to talk in this video, everybody. Are we going lower in price of Bitcoin because we're seeing some other altcoins going down? Just woke up today. I got some cash in hand and I bought some positions of the cryptos that we've been talking about. And also my private community on Patreon, link down below if you're interested, right? I tell you guys all the positions before anyone. Because, just want to be transparent to my community, of course, the people who follow me. And I want to make sure I'm putting DCA positions because, guys, I couldn't agree more on Crypto. Is this a trap? I haven't watched the video, but I think I know what he's talking about. What he's saying is basically, is this a bear trap? When you go down, people are like, hey, we're going to go lower. But in reality, to the moon. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Happy to have you back as always. Oscar Ramos trying to put you in the radar, with all the news and updates because there's so much going on, guys. So let's take a look at the market right now. We're looking at 4% down from the last 24 hours. Definitely some losers winners like Pepe. Look at that. I'm not surprised Pepe is always winning. Jupiter with Immutable X. Their H bar for obvious reasons, but it's still holding. That's pretty interesting, right? I mean, if you watch Shiba Inu, if you're watching Cronos, I just bought so much Cronos, right? Yesterday, I'm buying, because I'm buying, guys. That's the idea. I am doing it. I'm not just speaking about it or wondering about it. I've been holding personally such losing positions for a long time. When the markets turn bullish, you won't stop them. So I care what's happening today, and that's why we're adding positions. Now, guys, denying the Ethereum ETF next month is literally doing nothing because eventually it will get approved. So these are better news for you and I. We can buy cheaper Ethereum. We can buy cheaper Bitcoin. We can buy cheaper Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, XRP. You can buy cheaper everything. They are doing everything they can to stop something that's eventually going to be approved. Now, when you look at this, people are like, the SEC is a joke, and China is set to approve Ethereum ETFs by the end of the month. They may deny it, but BlackRock deadline is in August. So I think one thing I've learned, as I'm somewhat new into all of these digital asset ETFs, that when the Bitcoin ETF was approved, they literally waited until the last moment, the last deadline. They didn't do it before the deadline, early in schedule. No, they waited till the last moment to approve it. So what happened? Obviously, the price of BTC it was a little volatile, but eventually it just went through the roof. That was with the approval of the ETF. And it was really nice because we reached $73,000 really nicely. So the idea is that even though we see the prices like that are red and that are obviously not bullish, you can always get in and wait for the retracement. Now, let's go macro right now. Using my Lux Algo indicator, guys, first link down below. Heavily recommend you get it if you're into trading because it's going to give you buy alerts, sell alerts, and Neo Cloud and reversal zones and way more. Optimization sensitivity right here, which is I'm blocking. So I really like it, and it really helps because I'm using that one to buy the dip of positions, right? Pikamoon, Jasmy, Brett, some positions that I don't maybe talk too much in the channel, but I know they're gonna make me money. And I was talking to some alpha people behind the scenes, and man, I mean, people have conviction. It's crazy. Oftentimes, you have to go against the grain. I'm not saying that it's gonna work. I'm not saying I know the future, right? But oftentimes, I don't know if I'm the only one that I see stories of people making a stupid amount of money, and I'm like, why cannot do that? Why cannot just do that, right? It's because they do it when nobody's watching. All right. So right now we're looking in the 4 hours, and we reached many times the bottom, right, at 59. So this was when we reached finally the 59. But the reason why we reached 62 doesn't mean that we're gonna reach that 59 once again. Although that is an important level to consider now that we have done it before, right? So when I was talking yesterday into this group chat here on Twitter, I was here yesterday. They were having me as a host or as a speaker, so I was pretty grateful. Most of the people are bulls, like not really many bears, and I was saying like one of the reasons why we could go down is because of news like this or major conflicts in the when it comes to war, right? I mean, that's another big one. But those financially perspective, they are much better because they drop fast, they come back up fast. So they drop fast, you take the opportunity of this sell-off, and then boom, you can expect a retracement, a reversal really nicely playing in favor for your position. That's what happened with Shiba Inu in my case. When we dropped to 18, I bought it at 19 and it went through the 25. And obviously, it's amazing, right? So you can make a lot of money with issues and problems and fears. Just depends if you want to get in once things are really, really red, which is when I buy the blood on the streets. So personally, guys, I think we consolidate 60,000s. For now, we have the news, but people just want to keep selling because that's their right, and selling is important to have everything kind of consistent. I'm not scared. I'm not saying that we're going 55,000 or so. There's really no reason why we are going to consider those ranges right now. But always have cash on hand, guys, for anything and everything scenario. You know, things are crazy when they move, right? So far, greed, and more greed. And we're still not even in the altcoin season. So thanks for watching, guys. Just keeping you updated with the latest, the news, the updates, and what's out there. I'm bullish, so whatever news come in favor or against, I'm going to use them to add further to my positions, to my portfolio, and that's it. If you like Shiba Inu, join the 100 billion party group down below. If you like Cronos, join the $1 Crow party group. I'm making these communities because I understand people need to speak out and a group just to join for collaboration community. That's why I got you. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.